The question is, why doesn't my business show up on Google when I search for it? And the answer could be many different things. The first is, have you set up your business with Google? If they're unaware of your business, then that's why you can't find it. They don't know. Or have you actually been doing this search so many times and never clicking on your business, so Google assumes that you're not actually interested in it? So here's a pro tip. If you're ever looking to see how you rank for a keyword, go into incognito mode or private browsing for your browser. This means that they're not tracking what you've done before or any other information they know about you as an internet browser, which the browser will start collecting information about what you've done, websites you've viewed, different searches you've done to build a profile to better understand you so they can give you better results based on what you've liked in the past. So by going into incognito or private browsing, there is no past history. So this means you will get a fresh outlook on what the searches might be for other people. This will be helpful for you to determine where you're actually ranking and to investigate why you're not showing up on Google. Feel free to join us and ask any of these questions in the community. I'm here to help you learn more about how to master Google yourself.